Yo, Tyrell. Fuck a photo. We're filming this shit, man.
Remember my day. That's that motherfucker that I told you about yesterday. They had lost their wheels. I was like, damn, he just said take it off. What the fuck is you doing, bro?
Yeah, I was about to say, hold on there.
Under there. Oh, that's a bus? They converted it. And he over the line. If you're high, just don't drive. Pretty simple. Huh.
Heartbreak.
Right. That must be too damn deep.
Trust me, I'm in the real estate, so I got shit. Yeah. Whatever though. Fuck, if you don't believe, you can call me a lie about everything else. But this one right here, you better believe it, nigga. I do not.
No, I cannot bear to feel this pain, but I would not go back again. Oh,
She on the phone right here. Look at her.
Charlie's wife.
Darn the motherfucker.
Robbie, I think she's 90.
Yeah.
Close to it.
On in her motherfucking hands.
You're on Broadway with Christine Penny.
Just a yap. What you turns in there? Oh, now you want to put it on, lay ass. Got a woman in there. Okay. I see you, babe. What is you doing? You might well keep on keeping on. That again. Yeah. Right through that motherfucker. Where y'all going? Dumbasses.
You can get prescription strength minoxidil through Harley.
Go around.
Excuse me.
God damn, go around.
I can meet you.
I don't know how to fucking
I would like to
drive.
meet you.
Or should I just say the OG emos?
Shit. Well, you caught me there. Boy, you caught me there. Got a watch car on the back of that bitch too. Clean.
It seems like coming back.
Well, I mean, mine is because it's connected to the dock, right?
Mhm.
I think Metro and them was on to something that was just like they felt like I said, I don't know where these girls what mindset these female rappers was in when they started, but they started taking these old records and remaking new records on top of them. So like all these Zaytoven beats, that's the Pluto
Police
song.
got their ass,
Remember,
bro.
was a Zaytoven beat, right?
Would you rather be the girl that cried? Corolla.
Morning, you look good, girl.
Thank you, Jess. I hope you feel better. Thank you, girl. Thank you. All right, well, we start this morning.
Yes, so he talks about that a bit. What? Why are you looking at Envy like that, Charlamagne?
I'm not looking at
Look,
Envy. Stop
that's
trying
it.
to be
It's a
funny,
what now?
Lauren. Tell your story.
You were looking at Envy.
I'm not looking at Envy. You are.
And, you know, what it is to be proud of self.
God damn.
I'm happy that the Lord has
I'm on
given
the
me
wrong side of the road.
to do what I do.
You support Donald Trump. Oh, you work out too. You weak. You about to run the fuck out of that stop sign. Yeah, that wasn't a complete stop.
Like that, you need somebody grounded.
I'll go as old as like 55. Come on, that's my dad. No, my dad is what? How old's my daddy? That's money.
Don't date somebody older than your dad or
Not older than my dad. Not older.
You're 32. If you date a man at 55, it's because he has money. There'll be no reason.
What the fuck? This nigga up and drive. Trying to block nobody driving away. That nigga gotta do all this to get in that bitch? Shit. It light work right here. At least he got a driveway. Like Grand Parkway, Funk Park. Over like an Auburn or something. Light work.
Cash out rate traffic.
Yeah.
Shazam fuel.
Soundtrack.
What the hell you doing? Man, what the fuck?
Go. What are y'all doing?
Damn, you on the wrong side of the fucking road.
Yeah, my phone.
I finally get to see this new film.
That is interesting.
This cop is dirty. Oh yeah, he's dirty. All right. Bet you this guy died. Yeah, he's dead. He died. I knew it. I knew he was gonna die.
I thought pee would just go like that. Like a drinking fountain stream. It would just go pee.
Damn.
Travel tip, everybody. It doesn't do that. Yeah, here's what it did.
You all on the wrong side of the road. Look at him. Ran the fuck out of that bitch. Why they probably not getting over? Dumbass, why you not over? You saw that damn sign?
I grieved in a way that I have not since my mother died. The pain was, it was not at all about losing a race. I knew what it was going to mean for the country. I was going to say for the family. And that's how I felt, for the country.
Just imagine being out there doing the electric slide all that time with all the HBCU people.
Okay, I've turned my...
Yeah, so yeah, but you still, excuse me. And she found out, she's like, damn, this woman's really nuts. So I had to communicate with her for the last 5 years. I'm like, you know what, I'm paying you to talk to this lady. I don't want to talk to her. And then she realized that I wasn't a problem. You know, I just had to really create, you know,